Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Never give up. Never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait but more difficult to regret. As we talked about before, we fear drawing usually because we are scared of failure, or think we lack skills, or compare ourselves too much to other artists. All of these objections can be cured with a simple solution: draw every day. Life is busy, so I understand that it can be hard sometimes to find the time. Honestly though, I know you can. Sometimes you will have a free day for drawing, and sometimes, instead of checking your social media, you will only have 15 minutes. Either way, that's okay. As long as you do it consistently. Sometimes, the hardest thing is not to draw. In fact, the hardest thing is to sit down to draw. Fear is just one of the ways your brain tries to protect you from danger, in this case, danger to fail. We need to trick it into stopping to think. There is a great way of doing it which I use many times every day, the 5-second rule. Pretty much, before your brain has the time to come up with a million excuses for you not to do something, you start counting, and then you physically move, sit down at a desk, pick your favorite medium and start drawing. It seems like a silly thing to do, but I'm telling you, this is powerful. This rule helped me change my sleeping schedule completely. Now, instead of sleeping from about 3 to 5 a.m. to 12 to 2 p.m., I go to sleep at 12 a.m. at night and wake up at 8 a.m. every morning. It's a big deal for me. I am creating the life of my dreams. Never give up because great dreams take time. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notifications.